Hey, Nico. 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 Are you glad I brought you home a friend to play with? Hmm? You think it's okay if she stays here for a while? You guys are cracking me up. Nico, let her get up. Nico. Nico. Get your foot off of her, dork. All right. Hey. Nico. Leave it. Let her get her breath. Good girl. Good girl. She grabbed a bone. Okay, let her take a break. She's been at an event all day long today with me, and it's hot out there, so she's tired. Good girl. Good girl. Just lay down and let her chill for a little bit. You got to stay home and nap all day. We were outside. Another big bone for Libby. There you go. Good girl. He's just gonna say hi to your face. You're so cute.